1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, you make me feel like 11. Ooh. There we go. Thank you for the hint, chat. Anyway, okay, so I got the band-aids and I put the band-aids on. After that, everything was fine. And then I hung out with my friends. One thing I saw, and this is, you know, this is an Austrian convention, so I did not expect to see any whole life cosplayers. But I saw one Gura cosplayer. She was carrying, like a bag of McDonald's. I took a photo from her from behind when she was far away, walking away with the McDonald's, and I thought it was a funny photo. One Gura cosplayer, yeah. Yeah, I thought it was accurate. The fast food, the junk food.
Meanwhile...
So, your family pack is expecting pups? Wait, who's expecting? Who's pregnant?
How did you guys get in the game?
There's only 2 of us.
Wait,
What? You guys are having babies without me?
You're missing
I
it!
said 4 people can join, right?
Mumi's literally having a puppy right now! Hurry, Fana!
Whoa, since
God.
when?
Oh my god, it's very graphic. Turn your gore down.
Oh god! Oh, what's that? Is that the afterbirth? Oh wait, no, the baby hasn't come out yet. Ah!
I can't see it. Where's the game?
Join game.
I had the baby. Girl, are you hungry?
What?
Yeah.
Don't eat the baby
Wait, we
without
can eat
me.
the baby?
Hungry girl, open up.
Oh